was a dive for the right turn lane, probably. Yes, it is. Too bad the bus was in the way. You could have saw it, but you can infer that's what happened. Oh, yeah, I turned my camera off too soon.
Believe me,
when you say they are clicking into Trump articles,
I've been there.
Wait, that was red.
Let me tell you. If
PM double douche from Florida. Stop it! Really? Really? Why does everyone have to screw up today?
Enjoy hiking again.
Sure. Get back to just going out and allowing yourself to just hike one mountain.
Dive for left turn behind me.
I always say it once.
Wait, why is he going? Masso left. Nissan driver from Florida. Do your Masso lefts down there. Don't do them up here. No, you can't turn left into there, Toyota. Look, there's a car coming. I wonder why they have that no left turn sign there at this busy intersection with that. I can't figure it out. You're too nice. Right turn lane dive up there. No turn on red. Rochester copper. What a great example that you set for the rest of us. And it just turned green. Dive for the right turn lane up there. Red light run. Red light run again. And straight from a left turn lane over there too, because, well, you can't read the signs that say that lane's only for Goodman Street. Even though that sign is really punily small. But still. Bad. Stop it. And also, rest in peace, Ozzy Osbourne. He just died today. Even though this video is probably going to come out months later, probably.
The first 5 months of this year, a 72-year-old Florida man has placed 34 calls to 911. His
That's where I think he rolled the dice, and I think he did want to take a bigger player there. But the fact that I think he thought Kindle would be gone. Kindle was projected 8 to like 13 in the drafts. He did go right where all of the major draft projections thought he would go. I think he took best.
That was an exit dive behind me, in front of a bunch of cops too. So that was pretty ballsy. And of course, the cops are not going to do anything because they're not state troopers. I don't think they can pull people over on this road. Oh well. A lovely day. Exit regret. Although he was really a douchebag that used the exit lane to cut ahead of some people, even though the traffic's not that bad. But whatever.
One home at a time. This is why we have decided to give one
exit regret.
Was conflicted. It's usually influence. Sometimes.
And he does it this weekend? Really? Yeah. He could have gotten away with it too, the previous, because they wouldn't have even tried on that. We could say, we got way bigger problems than this, whatever. Yeah. Not even try to deal with him. Man, oh man.
Oh, that was an illegal U-turn. A nice cut off there. Nice cut off.
Belief system of IBM.
Everything else will change, but these three things will not change.
Nice cut off.
Almost like osmosis.
Nice cut off. You ain't alright. Nope, that was kind of half-assed. And also, no. You gotta move over.
Would have been something. Literal nothing.
No, stop. Toyo turd.
I see people sweat.
No stop. And no stop again. Red light run. Red light run. Red light man. Red light run. Red light man.
Well, I think that, yeah, Florida did an amazing job making sure that
Red light run.
Market, and you know, they have
Red light run. You better check yourself before you wreck that thing. No stop.
Hey, run for your life. Hey, run for your
Red light run. Sob. That's a classic. No stop. Toyo turd because Prius. Prius sucks. No stop. I'll do it. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we happen to be in Connecticut, but it looks like he's about to move over, and we're not in Connecticut. We're in Rochester, where there is no truck restriction, so he's okay. I'm just singing this song just because I'm being goofy as all hell. So, anyway, that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!